Variant Standard. Title: Red Light Therapy Laser Hair Growth Cap Review Script, ID 58521. Welcome to Beautyistic. If thinning hair or early hair loss has ever made you pause before styling your hair, this might be the solution you've been curious about. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a beauty breakthrough that could actually work for you. The product we're looking at today is the INTEO Red Light Therapy Laser Hair Growth Cap. It's an FDA-cleared device designed for both men and women to stimulate hair regrowth using 162 laser lights. Unlike handheld combs, this helmet-style cap promises full scalp coverage without the need to constantly move it around, saving you time and effort. The cap is rechargeable, wireless, and claims to deliver noticeable improvement in as little as 16 weeks with just 12 minutes of use every other day. What I found immediately appealing is the convenience. The ergonomic design means my hands are free while using it, which is a huge plus for anyone who's struggled with traditional laser combs. The cap fits comfortably over the scalp, covering hairlines, temples, and the crown area evenly. Turning it on is straightforward. There's a start/pause button, and it automatically stops after the session ends. The infrared sensor is a smart safety feature, ensuring the device only works when properly worn, protecting your eyes from stray lasers. In terms of performance, after incorporating it into my routine, the cap feels surprisingly lightweight, and the 162 lasers create a uniform red light coverage across the scalp. The intensity feels stable, not too harsh, which makes it easy to wear even during multitasking around the house. While I can't promise overnight miracles, after several weeks of consistent use, there's a visible improvement in hair thickness, especially around the temples and crown. The battery life is solid, lasting through multiple sessions before needing a recharge. Pros include its hands-free operation, full scalp coverage, wireless convenience, and well-thought-out safety features. The dense matrix of 162 lasers also stands out compared to smaller single-light devices. On the downside, it's a bigger investment compared to handheld combs, and some users may need patience to see visible results, as hair growth is naturally gradual. When it comes to value for money, considering the FDA clearance, technology, and convenience, the cap is justified for anyone serious about treating hair loss. Compared to smaller devices, this helmet offers more coverage and less manual effort, making it a stronger long-term option. The build quality feels sturdy, the materials are durable, and with proper care, it should last for several years. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are smaller laser combs or caps with fewer lasers, but they typically require longer usage time and don't cover the scalp as evenly. For those committed to results and convenience, the INTEO cap is definitely a worthwhile investment. In summary, the INTEO Red Light Therapy Laser Hair Growth Cap offers hands-free, full coverage with an impressive array of 162 lasers. It's convenient, well-designed, and effective for both men and women with hair thinning concerns. It requires patience, but the investment in quality and FDA-cleared technology makes it a credible option for anyone serious about hair regrowth. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. The link to purchase is in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.